All right, so in this video, I'm going to walk you through me testing out a order for a client just to make sure all the channels work, all the processes work from beginning to end. I highly recommend anybody that is starting their business or have their website to test your website. Don't just create it and then wait for an issue to occur. You may be missing out on orders. So I highly recommend you can purchase the cheapest product. You can create yourself an invoice in Wix for $1 and then also walk through that process so you can see what a refund would be like, see how it would be to cancel order, and be able to become familiar with the overall process. I'm not going to hold you up any longer. Let's get into it. So I put in the cart number is listed. I agree to terms, privacy, return policy, and then I go and I place order. I get a confirmation notification, and at this point you should be receiving an email. Right, order number is 10001. This is your first official order, and then the total is 1216. Right now, you would go to your dashboard and on orders. All right, so now you'll see that the order number is here. It lets you know that it's new. It has the date and it has the name. Right, and to be able to finish the process, right, you see what was purchased, and you can actually create a shipping label directly in Wix itself. Right, you can issue a refund from here. Yep, so it just sends me back to my home page. So I go to transactions. Right, this is custom amount, you twinkle, timestamp from 9:43 this morning. All right, so I know it came from the website, receipt number, and I'm just going to select issue refund. On custom amount, all items here. If it was several different ones, it was partial, or if I just wanted to refund amount, let's say, hey, we found out that the shipping was $3.16, whatever it was, and because we honor you, we want to give back. Here's a refund for $4. Right, you can insert that amount here for the partial refund. You can indicate whatever this situation is, but I'm going to go to full amount refund. I'm going to refund items. I'm going to put testing processing. I'm going to issue a refund. And then standard jargon, 4, 5 to 7 business days or 5 to 10 business days, it should be returned back into your account. All right, and we are good to go. What we're going to do is, to be able to verify the refund, we can go back to transactions, and then we're going to click on the custom amount, and then you'll see here it says pending refund. And when it's completed, you should be able to come back and see that it says refund. All right, that's pretty much it. That's the walk through the process of making a purchase, issuing a refund. Now you know that your website should be up and running. Should be no issues in regards to purchasing a product. What I do recommend is to cancel your order, and we're going to double click on the order, and we are going to cancel order. Right, and you can add an option. This is to let the individual know that the order has been canceled. So the preview looks like it has your logo, item that's been canceled. That's pretty much it. All right, so we're not going to send, just going to hit continue, and we are going to confirm cancellation of this order. Some people would do unfulfilled, right? Place an unfulfilled in it. We're not going to do that, but that is another option, right? To make it fulfilled.